But this was completely off the cuff. I thought I would just head out on the bike, and as I was heading out I came up with this idea about the lost GoPro and let's go and find it type of thing. Just wanted to see what the GoPro was capable of. Head out with minimal gear, a GoPro, a little stand and my iPhone, and that's it. I might have to use the iPhone right at the end when I pull the GoPro out of the water. That's what I've got planned anyways. Not looking forward to sticking that in there, like. Doesn't look the best. Let's give it a go. And I know obviously the microphones can get kind of full of water and I might sound muffled, so I thought I'd shoot this section just before I shoot the end of the video. I'm hoping it's going to look good. I'll not know until I head into Final Cut Pro and put it through the editing. But it's been fun. It's been dead easy, dead quick. Simple little GoPro. Press a button and it does pretty much everything for you now. The settings I've used, 4K at 60 frames a second. I've had to leave the shutter on auto and let GoPro adjust the shutter as and when it needed to. I've got no ND filters. We'll see what that looks like. White balance is set to daylight white balance, and the ISO between 100 and 1600, which I think would have been set really low all the way because the sun's really bright. It's very windy. I'm recording this with no microphone, just through the microphone on the actual GoPro. I do have a windshield on, so I'm not too sure what that's going to sound like, but hopefully it'll sound okay. So yeah, thought it'd just be a little bit of fun. Head out for a day, spend half an hour shooting some sort of sequence, see what the GoPro is capable of, put it together, add some music. So hope you've enjoyed it, folks. It was just a little bit of fun on my behalf, but I thought I'd just put out there on the channel so you guys can see what the GoPro is capable of. So if you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you then.